Cut your writing costs by outsourcing to PayperWord.com. If you're like most businesses, you are always looking for ways to save money. One way to do this is by outsourcing some of your writing work to PayperWord.com. PayperWord is a freelance writer platform that connects businesses with talented writers who can help them produce high-quality content at a fraction of the cost of hiring in-house writers. In this video, we will discuss some ways businesses can save money by outsourcing their writing to PayperWord.com. Let's get started. First, businesses can save money on employee benefits by outsourcing their writing to PayperWord.com. When you outsource your writing to us, you don't have to worry about providing health insurance or other benefits for our writers. This can save your business a lot of money in the long run. This is because when you outsource your writing to PayperWord.com, you are only responsible for paying for the work that is completed. You are not responsible for any other benefits that come with hiring an in-house employee. In addition, businesses can save money on specific writing projects by outsourcing to PayperWord.com. For example, if you need help with a one-time project, such as writing landing page copy, you can simply hire a copywriter from our platform to do the job for you. We can assure you our writers will produce high-quality work at a fraction of the cost of what you would pay an in-house writer. Another significant reason to outsource your writing to PayperWord.com is we have a large selection of talented writers to choose from. No matter what type of writing project you need help with, we have a writer on our platform who can do the job for you. This is often much cheaper than hiring a full-time writer or an agency to do the same project. You can always check the reviews and ratings of our writers before hiring them, so you can be sure you're getting quality work for your money. When you outsource your writing to PayperWord.com, you will receive high-quality content. Our writers are highly talented and experienced professionals. Most of our writers are experts in their respective fields, so they can provide you with well-researched and well-written content. This can add great value to your business if you're looking for content that will help you establish your business as an authority in your industry. If you want to improve your website's ranking on search engines, then you'll be happy to know that our writers have SEO and technical knowledge. This means they can help you write content that is optimized for search engines, which can help improve your website's visibility online. SEOs can be a complex and expensive process, but our writers can help you save money by doing it for you. Organic traffic is the best way to improve your website's ranking, and our writers can help you achieve this. So instead of paying for ads or other marketing campaigns, you can simply outsource your writing to PayperWord.com and let our writers help you improve your website's ranking organically without spending a lot of money. As your business grows, you will probably need to scale your content production to meet the demands of your customers. This can be a daunting and expensive task if you try to do it all in-house. An in-house team can be expensive to hire and manage, and it's difficult to find the right writers for your needs. Outsourcing your writing to PayperWord.com can help you scale your content production without breaking the bank. This is because our platform gives you access to a large pool of talented writers who can help you with all your copywriting needs. Fortunately, you can easily scale your content production by outsourcing your writing to PayperWord.com. We can help you match your content needs with the right number of writers, so you can produce the amount of content that you need without breaking the bank. Besides being talented and experienced writers, our writers also utilize AI writing tools. This means they can help you save time and money by using these tools to write your content for you. AI writing tools are becoming more and more popular as they become more sophisticated. They can help your writers create better content faster, and they can even help you improve your website's SEO. These AI tools also allow your writers to deliver outputs faster, which can help you save money on your writing projects. If you're looking for a way to cut your business writing costs, then outsourcing your writing to PayperWord.com is the perfect solution. We can help you save money on employee benefits, specific projects, and even SEO. In addition, our large pool of talented writers can help you scale your content production without breaking the bank. So why not try us? Hire a writer today by signing up for a free account on PayperWord.com.